Good afternoon, everybody. SkyTrak 13 meteorologist Sean Ash with a midday update. Boy, how about it? Some sunshine out there. I got to tell you, my friends, enjoy this. This is likely the best day that we'll have over the next 7, the way it's shaping up. So let's talk about the numbers here just after 1 o'clock. 39 here in Indianapolis, 39 Terre Haute, 40 in Seymour, and from north to south, pretty much this is what you're seeing. Most sunshine up across Kokomo. Once you get a little farther south there, you see down in Brown County in Nashville, still have some leftover cloud cover around. Greensburg at 35 here a little after 1 o'clock with a partly sunny sky. But here across I-70, it points to the north, it's mainly sunny and a little breezy from time to time. We're going to make it up to at least 40, may get 41 in a few backyards, and that's about where we should be for this time of year. So finally, some sunshine, and that is some welcome news. I want to point your attention to late tonight and early tomorrow morning. You're not going to see much here on the radar and satellite composite, but if you'll notice across Arkansas, there's a little bit of shower action. So there's slowly but surely going to be a little bit of moisture returning. And I'm a little worried that we don't have that blanket, the thick overcast, this evening to lock in the warmth. And so after sunset, we're going to see these temperatures drop pretty quickly and probably in the 20s by midnight. And very late tonight and early tomorrow morning, it is a chance. It's not a given. We'll kind of have to watch the radar and see how far it's going to progress. But there could be a little bit of a light wintry mix tomorrow morning coming during the rush hour or maybe just after. Timing is still questionable too. But I think it's enough that you might want to get up early tomorrow morning. Nicole Masinsic will be on starting as early as 4 a.m. and just kind of see what her and Mimi Pierce are seeing on the roadways, because we could have some icy spots across the region. I just don't want that to catch you off guard. And again, it's not a given it's going to happen, but it is at least a possibility. So let's show you Future Track 13. Here's the deal too. We're going to be in the 20s tomorrow morning. So it won't take a whole lot on untreated surfaces, bridges, overpasses. Let me get my face out of here and I'll show you. This is what the model is saying by 9 a.m. Typically what happens is that usually it arrives quicker than modeled and a little farther north as well. So bottom line, I think anywhere from the metro area southward is fair game in the morning for some of this light wintry mix that could cause a few issues on the roadways here. Because of the overcast, east-southeasterly wind, and occasionally going to see some of this light precip spitting at us tomorrow, I think hard-pressed to hit 34, 35. All right, so kind of a cold, cloudy day heading into Thursday with the potential through at least late morning for some icy patches on the roadways. After we get through Thursday, we'll focus on the heavy rain event that looks fairly likely. Models are really lining up on an I-70 track for the heavy rain band here. And even Friday morning, because we'll be close to 32, maybe not there, but very close, couldn't rule out a little freezing rain around Friday morning before this just comes kind of a steady, cold, nasty rain. This is at 2 p.m. on Friday, and the rain continues. I see that long. It's going to get some of that banded precipitation, so I think some heavy pockets of rain. Now, for your weekend plans, it looks like the first part, Saturday morning, still looks cloudy and wet, but by Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, I think a lot of it moves out. So decent timing. We're going to have thousands of football fans in Indianapolis for the Big Ten championship game here Saturday evening. And right now, it looks like the heaviest rain should be well east of us. How's this for model agreement? This is the RPM run by 7 a.m. Sunday, showing up to almost 2 inches of rain. This is the GFS or American model, showing something very similar. And the last night's run of the European model, all showing a healthy dose of rain here from about 1 to 2 inches. So it looks pretty likely we're going to get pretty soggy. I want to take some time with the upper level pattern and what you'll see here as we play through time. I put the dates on here because I want to go through next week. What you're looking at here, this is this weekend, so that's the disturbance that's coming in. That's Saturday, so that's our disturbance that pushes through and brings the rainfall in. And then as we play through, we'll go into next week, Monday, Tuesday. See cold pocket that dives in. So we're going to get another shot of cold air here early next week. And then as we go into the second half, we'll probably see another maybe potential for a nor'eastern type storm. And then we start to notice some ridging in the Central Plains. All right, it's December 12th. and December 12th is next Friday. And then as we go into next weekend, this is Saturday now, we get some ridging back to the west of us. All right, is he going to make it over here? Yeah, it's possible. Maybe a mid-month warm-up. We'll have to see if this trend continues. But if you're not a big fan of cold weather, we're starting to at least see a little trend for the middle of the month. I'm not ready to throw all my chips in just yet on that, but something that we'll be monitoring here over the next 7 to 10 days. Here's your SkyTrak 13 7-day forecast. The wintry mix potential tomorrow, a wet Friday, a wet start Saturday, Sunday the better of the 2 days this weekend, and then we're back to cold next week. Angela Buckman will have an update here this afternoon, and again, just kind of keep that in mind for that morning commute on Thursday, all right?